Hi, I'm Bri-Anne Alexis, and today we're going to be talking about products that you need for the VIB sale. VIB sale has to be one of the best times of the year because honestly, that's when I stock up on most of my products. And then if I happen to run out like in the middle of the year, in between a VIB sale, that's when I pop into Sephora. But I feel like if you can kind of stack up all of your purchases for the VIB sale periods, it's going to be good. You want the 20% off or the 10% off depending on your membership status. What I'm going to do is give you a run through of me going through my phone on the Sephora app of products that I would get, and I'll put the links below. So we're obviously talking hair. If we go to shampoo and conditioner, we'll start in shampoo. You definitely want the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. It's in my shower right now. I use it consistently and I feel like it really gets your hair clean. And that's what you need if you're gonna be heat styling or if you just have a lot of buildup, like you really want clean hair. All right, what else? Shampoo isn't my favorite thing. I mean, it's really important, but like, when I find a good shampoo, I kind of just stick with it. So, what other shampoo do I use? Honestly, it's mainly the Olaplex. I haven't really found another one that I love as much. All right, so let's go into conditioner. Yes, the number 5 Bond Maintenance by Olaplex, love it. I have this and I would repurchase it. So if you haven't tried it and you want a conditioner that is moisturizing, but it's like a rinse out conditioner, I would say grab that. I don't see anything else there. Hair masks. Ooh, this is easy. I love hair masks. Okay. You're gonna wanna get this, the Gisou Honey Infused Hair Mask. I talked about this. If I haven't, then the video hasn't come out yet, but you need that. You're gonna need the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Hair Mask. I would also say, ooh, I see it. The Way Thick Hair Treatment, love it, love Way. What else could you get? I don't see anything else here. Let's see, leave-in conditioner. Ooh, I haven't tried this, but it's in my cart, so I mean, you can pick it up. Tell me how it is. This 100 times over. Love this. I already have enough of this, which is why I'm not getting it, but yes. Ooh, I would try this because I wanted to try it, so I should actually put this in my cart. The Gisou Honey Infused Leave-In. What else do we have here? Next. Hair oil. Ooh, you already know what I'm gonna say. The Gisou Honey Infused Hair Oil. If you haven't tried this hair oil, I would say you have to try it. Normally hair oils are so oily and honey is so thick and sticky and viscous. This is like this is unlike any other hair oil I've tried. I love it. I love it. I have enough, so, but you should get it. What else? I'll have to think, but let's just go through my cart. I'll show you exactly what I'm getting. Number 0, Olaplex, really great for strengthening, especially when you use with number 3. The Briogeo Hydration Hair Kit. I really wanted to try their wave spray for like a tropical destination. I want to try that, so I got that. I love the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Foundation. I've been wearing it since it came out, and it's pretty much the only foundation I swear by, so that. I usually get 420, but 420 is my color, but 430 is the best color for me because it's a little more tan, and I just find it doesn't wash me out as much, and it's a great transition depending on if I'm traveling or not, so that's what I do. That's what I have on right now, so Fenty 430 always. I've got the jumbo size Olaplex number 3. That's a must. They just released this size and I think they should keep it. The price point, oof. But yeah, 20% off that, I'll take it. The Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray Anti-Frizz Treatment. Honestly, I'm kind of in love with the bottle. And I heard someone try it and I wanted to try it, so that's what I'm getting. I've heard so many good things about topicals, so I put 2 of the products in my cart. I'm always looking for things that are reducing discoloration and hyperpigmentation. I really want clear skin all over, so that's in my cart, and the brightening and clearing mist, because they said that you could use this all over your body, so yes. Ooh, the Gisou mini hair perfume. I feel like that'll smell so good if it smells anything like the mask. The Moroccan Oil Mini Hair and Body Fragrance Mist. If you've ever used Moroccan oil, it has a distinct scent. They were able to extract that scent and put it into a fragrance itself, so that's what this is. Definitely want to try that. And then I feel like Fenty makes the best liquid eyeliner. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that stuff, I've cried in it. I've cried in it and I've come out looking amazing, so I have that in my cart. The girlies on TikTok are using this glycolic as a deodorant, as a lightening agent for like your arms, your knees. So I really wanted to try it. It's in my cart. Glycolic acid. This product smells so good. I would sign up for it. I would sign up for the email me when it's back in stock. I don't know if it's in stock where you are, but this smells so good. The Bao Mint Deep Conditioning Treatment. I love any mask that's kind of like minty because it tingles when it goes on, so I would put that in my cart. Depending on what my cart's looking at right now, it's probably like $500. We'll see. We'll see. This Bondi Boost is a new line, and it's for thinning hair, which means it promotes growth. I don't know if I'm gonna try it, but you guys try it because it's new. Tell me how it is. Tell me how it is. Oh, this. I wanted to try the Briogeo, this honey product, because Gisou's kind of like the leader in honey hair care. So I wanted to try this and see how it measured up. What else? I feel like that might be it. So, I mean, I feel like this is probably a super short video. This is all I have. I mean, if I think of anything else, it'll definitely be up on my TikTok. You can find me on Instagram if you have any questions. I always post like the things that I'm buying there. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.